Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin tayo ng bell button doon sa baba para updated niyo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel, you know? At para sa video ito, another trending video na naman ang gagawa natin ng reaction. Isa na namang Pilipino ang nagpamalas ng kanyang husay sa pag-awit. So ito nga guys, si Roms Kadalem. And kinanta niya dito guys yung Do I Have to Cry for You. Kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. Sobrang excited na ako guys. Wait lang. Okay. Bilang tayo guys ng 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go. Oh, ganun yung voice tone niya. Eh, parang original. Kabosin ko yung original na kumanta. Oh my god, it's giving me orgasm.
Our Mac vlog
Sounds.
We can make it last. Tell me what you gotta be. Tell me what you wanna do. 'Cause I can live my life the way you want me to. You know I can't go on living like we do. Do I have to cry for you?
Galing.
Do I have to cry for you? So tell me where it's wrong. If there's a way to read it, nobody keeping score. Let's start from the beginning. Can we make it last?
Galing. Ang ganda ng poses niya.
Where's the love we had?
Oh.
Tell me what it gotta be, and tell me what you wanna do. 'Cause I can't live my life the way you want me to. You know I can't go on living like we do. Do I have to cry for you? Do I have to cry for you? Do I gotta stand and we go down till the morning light? Yeah. Do I have to say I will let you get away? I gotta be. Tell me what you wanna do. 'Cause I can't live my life the way you want me to.
Pwede nagkakaroon ng
You know I can't go on living like we do. Do I have to cry for you?
solid ang boses. Ang galing. Nakikinig lang ko din ako. Ang galing mo.
You know I can't go on living like we do. Do I have to cry for you? Do I have to cry for you?
Galing, galing, galing. Grabe, sobrang husay naman ni Sir. Napakaganda ng boses niya, no? Sarap pakinggan. Yung diction sobrang clear. Actually, yung boses niya para talaga siya yung kumanta, no? Grabe, napakahusay. Napakadami talagang mga Pilipino na sobrang husay na umawit. And nakaka-proud din naman. Dahil hindi lang tayo talaga yung nakaka-appreciate sa talent nila pagdating sa pagkanta. Pati yung mga ibang lahi ay sobrang namamangha sa husay ng mga Pilipino umawit. Diba? Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, video nyo malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. Bye po!